What is up, guys? Dan of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your selling list on eBay. So first, you need to head over to the eBay's website, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that, when you're redirected to the home page, here at the top, you will see the sell button. Simply click on that, or you can just click on list an item. I'll click on sell. Both the buttons do the same work. And after clicking on sell, here you will open the selling on eBay platform. And after that, you need to tell what you are selling. Let's say I'm going with the shoes. And after clicking here, I'll go with shoes of men. And then I'll click on search. After clicking on search, here I will see the option of continue without match. And after clicking here, I will just select the condition. And after selecting the condition, I'll click on continue again. After clicking on continue, here you will see to list an item, and to complete it, you need to upload the photos and videos. So here you need to choose the video section, and then you just simply need to upload the video from your PC. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.